Hey guys, BluePlay757 here, back with another video. Today, we are going to be checking out the new Animal Company map, which I've heard that's already been released. And this is my first genuinely reaction to it. If I get kicked out, it's probably because I don't have enough memory to run it. But this is so exciting. Oh my gosh. I'm so excited. Guys, are y'all? What? Please do not power off your device. Here it comes. Transfer what? What? To continue? Please wait. Whoa! Okay. Yo! 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 Oh! Goodbye! This dude. Goodbye, guys. Wait, what's happening? Wait! Whoa, whoa, no, no, no!
Won't give me a teleporter gun? Did anyone give me a teleporter gun?
The heck? What just happened?
What the heck?
So does anyone have
Holy
a teleport gun?
moly! Whoa!
Black. Can I have one?
Oh.
If you touch me.
Wait, what is this? Is this sewers?
Yeah. Yo, Black, you're shot.
Oh, I'll check that out. I'm gonna check that out. Let me get back
But you
out of here.
cannot get out. What do you Black?
Can you give me one?
I touched you, Black.
Black, I touched you. I touched
No,
you, Black. I
no, but
literally touched
I'm
you.
not doing that.
Can you give me
Black,
one?
you gotta give me.
Can you give me one?
Yo, I see.
I have to do this. Okay, blow me up. Am I blown up yet? No.
Guys, let's
Blow me
go.
up. Blow me up. Okay, we are going to go into code Yes Blue, and we are going to further explore this update with one of my friends.
Bro, I got you money. I got you money.
I got you money.
Can you give me one?
Sell it, guys.
Oh my god. Yo, dude. Hello? Yo. Yo, where are you? I'm at this dump. Where are you?
Come back to spawn.
I'm at spawn. Where are you? This is so cool. Okay, so let's start exploring.
Yo,
Dude, this is insane.
how much money do you have? How much
I
money
have
do you
5
have?
mil.
Alright, you're good. I have less than 1 mil because I forgot how to get my VPN working.
Oh, bro, it literally had an entire crashing site, and I got it all on video.
Yo, which one do you want? Which one do you want?
I already have both. I'll take the normal grappler though. But I'm gonna keep all this on me. Let's go. What? Wait, what is this? What is this?
That looks like the 1-2 office.
That looks. It kind of looks like haunted
Over
mansion.
here.
Wait. I want to go check this out. Okay, this has to be. There's so much here. There's so much to explore. I say we start. I say we start with exploring this ship that blew up.
Yeah.
Because this is the start. This is the old Animal Company dock. I think the water's still dangerous. Oh my! You
cannot grapple.
swim. And you can't grapple in the water. You can't grapple. Okay. I see you, Animal Company. This is what they've been working on. Why is your eye right there?
Wait, come here. There's a crack in the wall. We need to go see what it is.
Oh god. You can now swim in the water?
Yeah, you can swim in it. Finally.
But at least they. Oh, what is this? Whoa, wait, what is this? Come on down. Dude, come on. Alright, where'd you go? Where'd you go?
All the way up here.
Come on,
Here, keep down, keep down, keep down.
come down. This new update is absolutely insane. I'd say
Bro,
this is a high.
banger.
This is a high W update. This is a W update. This is a slide. I'm sliding. This is amazing. This is amazing. What? What is this?
Do you think there's monsters? Whoa!
In your mouth?
Wait, on vent access.
Then access. Go put it on my waist.
Yo!
This is. It's so detailed.
Watch out.
That scared the crap out of me.
What is that?
I'm leaving.
No, come here, come here, come here, come here, come here. We're gonna kill it, we're gonna kill it. Come here! That's it! That's
Jumping
it!
in.
That's
Jumping in.
it!
What the? What is this? This is so creepy. I hate it. I hate it. So creepy. Oh my god. Dude, you can go. I'm gonna smack this crap. I don't want to see that ever again. What is this?
Hello? Hello?
Don't leave me. Do not leave me.
This is like Forsaken, but like,
Wait,
they're
what
hunting
is,
the monster.
what is this?
Oh my god! Ah, no! Ah!
Beat him up, beat him up, beat him up! Ow! You better revive me. You better revive me.
I am.
This is insane! This is a W update, but why did they make it like this?
This is so creepy though.
I hate it. I don't like it. I don't like it. I don't like it. It's creepy. Yo, I say we die. I say we have to die. We gotta find one of those monsters and
Wait, we found an exit,
Help!
Only touch the blue.
Help! Help me!
What? Where's your body?
It fell down. Okay, we'll explore this some other time. Just die, okay? Fall down. Fall down. Holy crap! That's
Dude,
scared.
that's too crazy. That's too chaotic, bro.
We'll explore that more later. Right now, let's focus on the smaller things.
Yeah. Alright, here. I'm grabbing me a hover pad.
Grab it, maybe. Okay, let's go check out mines. It's way bigger. Dude, where'd he go?
Yo, look at this. They have the OG stuff.
What is that?
That's so realistic.
It's like they're bringing everything back.
Oh, let's go.
Is that a captain pack? You can't get the golden.
Wait, they revamped all the monsters, I'm pretty sure.
I swear, if I see a giant spider that looks as creepy as that monster that we saw earlier, I'm I'm going to.
Dude, I for real got super scared when I seen that thing.
I was like, what the heck? I better if I see a giant. If I see a spider and he's creepier, I'm going to absolutely poop my pants. I'm gonna sing, oops, I farted again. It came out.
Wait, are you recording?
Yes. Spider? Okay, spider's normal. Wait, is spider normal? I'm not staying down here. Ooh, research point. Ooh.
Wait, what if we got a lava map?
Oh, you want to go do that? Hello, Armstrong. Hello, boy.
Oh my god, where is this thing from?
Let's go find the lava map.
I think it's over here.
What the heck? Oh, there's like a crap ton of research points.
Over here, it's over here. It has to be over here. I hear noises.
Where? Where? Ben. Where is it?
Wait.
Animal Company, what have you done? Animal Company, what have you done to our poor Animal Company? I love it. I don't know why Animal Company did to itself.
Go over here.
I don't know what it did to itself, but I love it.
For real though, it's so much scarier.
I hate it, but I also love it at the exact same time. I swear I better. I hear spider. Oh my.
Hi, baby spider.
Hello, I'm gonna beat the crap out of you now. I'm glad the spider hasn't changed. I hate spiders. Okay, let's go. Okay, this is... Oh god! Ow! Get me? Okay, I want to see how they did this.
What if the door's open in here?
Go down.
What if the door's open in here?
Oh, what is that? Oh, that's just a wire. Animal Company has outdid itself in this update. Bro. Hashtag Animal Company. You are just rocking it. Ooh, you're making it much. Animal Company might actually be my new favorite game because of this. Can you like wait up?
I guess.
Okay, let's go.
Yeah, let's go book it.
I think we're gonna make like a couple parts to this video because I don't want it to be too long, but I also don't want it to be too short.
Where's this monster in here?
Oh, I'm gonna rage. I'm gonna rage so hard. I'm gonna be.
They're gonna rage bait us, bro.
I'm gonna rage. I'm getting out of here. Can we get a W Animal Company in the comments? Like, this update is low-key amazing. Okay. So, final jump. What is animal brought to us? Wow.
Wait, there's a bunker right here.
What?
There's a bunker.
Where?
Up, look at the roof. Look at the roof.
Oh, wait, what? Okay.
I am going down back to spawn.
I'm going down. We're leaving. I'm done. No, I'm not doing that. Give me a research. I'll take it. Come here. Okay. I low-key almost died.
Alright, I made it out.
I may die. No! No! Wait, whoa! Okay. Tires? Oh, okay. Well, we're gonna make this part 1 of this video. We're gonna end this video here and continue in the next one. So like and subscribe if y'all gonna see that video coming out. Have a blessed day for now.